How to download and install Zoom on your mobile device. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Zoom on your mobile device. But before I do that, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you how to download and install Zoom on an Android device, but the process will be very similar for other devices. So first, open up the Play Store on your mobile device, then tap on the search bar on the top of the screen. Then do a search for Zoom. Tap on the Zoom app in the search results. Then tap on the green install button. Enter in any passwords or usernames that it asks you to download this app, and then wait for the installation process to be completed. This may take up to a few minutes. Once completed, tap on the green open button to launch the app. And that's what it takes to download and install the Zoom app on your mobile device. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.